guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Today I have a quick fancy bougie meal that you can make in literally 20 minutes. As always guys, remember to wash your hands. In today's video I'll be making pasta with mussels and garlic sauce. Anytime I'm getting ready to boil something, whether it's rice, pasta, whatever, I always use hot water from the faucet, and then I'm just gonna add some salt to make it boil quicker. This is some linguine from ShopRite, fresh pasta. It's the best pasta. It's really good. It takes about 3 minutes to cook, and that's all that you need. You want to make sure that your water is at a light boil before adding your pasta. After the pasta is done, of course, you just want to strain that. Can't waste anything. You got to scrape it all up. So I just have all my ingredients set up. Just going to take some butter, put that into the pan. Take some avocado oil. You'll see it here. I'm just gonna take some minced garlic and just add that to the pot. I think everything tastes better with garlic, honestly. And I'm just gonna, stir that around, and then I'm going to add my pasta into this mixture and just mix it around. So here I'm just adding a little bit more butter because the butter started to dry out. So you don't want the butter to dry out. So if you need more butter, you can always add more butter. And then after I mix around the butter, I'm gonna add in my seasonings. So here I'm just gonna add some parsley, mostly for some color. Then I'm just gonna add some garlic. This is chicken bouillon. I put it in almost everything and it makes it taste 10 times better. And this is ham seasoning. I mostly use it to give food more of a smoky taste. After you're done adding all your seasonings, you can mix it all up. You want to mix it up really good. Make sure you get everywhere coated with seasoning and flavor. And you can't forget the Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese. Anytime I'm cooking or my mom is cooking, she always tells me,
clean as you go. Make sure you clean your station. Clean your station. Clean as you go.
It honestly does make cooking much easier when you clean as you go. After you're done mixing up everything, you're gonna get your mussels. And I know you guys are probably like, frozen mussels? Ugh. But don't knock it till you try it, honey. Put them bad boys in the microwave for 6 minutes and boom. Voila. Look at that. And it looks good and it tastes even better, okay? Don't knock it till you try it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.